If you're into AI or video editing, this video's for you. Higgsfield just launched a new feature that makes generating and editing videos way easier. With the new Higgsfield plugins, you can generate AI videos directly inside Adobe Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and After Effects. In this video, I'm covering everything from setup all the way to how to actually use it. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. So this right here is the AI tool. And I myself have covered this AI tool lots and lots of times. And I know that many of you might already be familiar with this. But make sure to stick with me because I'm going to be showing you an all-new feature that is a complete game changer for the world of AI. If you look around, you can see that there's basically a lot going on. And there are lots and lots of features that you can test out. Like they have the plugins for Photoshop. You can even play games on the site, as well as use plugins for DaVinci Resolve. If you scroll down, you can see the supercomputer, which is an all-in-one agent that houses a lot of high-quality models like Nano Banana Pro, Seedance 2, and even Higgsfield Cinema Studio 3.5. If you scroll further, you can see the viral presets that they have, and the quality you get with this is just great. No word morphing, no distortion. Think of this as an all-in-one generative platform that houses every single thing you can think of relating to AI, and it works really, really great. Before we head over to the plugins, which I'll show you how you can access, let's test out the image generator. So all you have to do is click right here on image, and you can see the top models that it houses, like ChatGPT, Image 2, Nano Banana 2, as well as Seedream 5. But to generate images with this, just click right here on Create Image, and you'll be loaded over to this interface. And if you look around, you can see that I myself have been testing this out. Just take a look at this picture right here, and you can test it out by typing in a prompt. I can see a Japanese ninja standing on a piece of wood holding a samurai sword. Just like this, and you can choose the model you want to generate with this. I'm going to leave it at ChatGPT Image 2, and leaving the quality on high and the resolution at 4K, you can change the aspect ratio, which I'll go with 1:1, and as well choose how many images you want to generate at a time, or one image is just perfect for this test. So all you have to do is click right here on Generate, and your image is currently being generated right here. You can see the generating process at the top, and it does not take much time. Just give it a couple of seconds while it generates our image for us, and in no time we have this beautiful image right here. Like this to expand it. You see, this did a really great job. No distortion, and it adhered to the prompt perfectly. If you look over here, you can see some amazing features that you can test out, like the color grading, upscale feature, as well as the enhancer, and many more listed right here. But I'm just going to leave it as is and click on download right here, and it will be downloaded straight into your device. So now I've showed you how to generate images. Hover over videos and as well as images. You can see that it has the top models out there, like Seedance 2, Kling 3, and even has Sora 2 and Google's Veo 3. And I kid you not when I said that it has the top models out there. You can click right here on Create Video, and you will be led over to this interface. You can see that I myself have been testing this AI tool out. You can check out what I've been generating with it. Just pure, high-quality video generations. Most AI video generators are bugging out when you give them a basic prompt, but this handles this seamlessly. You can test it out with a prompt like, I have this prompt right here, so I can just choose the model I'm going with, Happy Horse, and I'll send this over just like this, and our video is currently being generated. So just give it a couple of minutes while it generates our video for us. Do keep in mind that after this, I'm going to be showing you how you can use the new plugins feature with your Adobe After Effects, and our video is done generating. Let's take a look. That was just great. I can click right here and download it straight into your device. So now to use the Adobe plugins, Just hover over here and you can see you have lots and lots of models to use, like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro, and After Effects, which we're going to be using for this. So just click on it and you'll be loaded over to this interface. All you have to do now is scroll down till you see the Windows or Mac OS. So you choose whether you're on Windows or Mac OS and download your installer. I'm currently on Windows, so I'm going to click right here, and it's currently being downloaded straight into my device. So once it's done, all you have to do is launch it right here. And you need the ZXP UXP installer for this. So you can search it up and download it, and once everything is ready, just click on Install, and it's currently installing it straight into our After Effects. And if you see right here, it says the Higgsfield was successfully installed. So you can close this and head over to your After Effects and launch it just like this. And once you're on your dashboard, all you have to do is hover over Window. And if you look at the extensions, you should see Higgsfield selectable right here. If you click right here, you can see that this is all in the After Effects interface, and you can get in images you've generated from Higgsfield and take them straight into your After Effects. Like, look at the image we generated before. You can click right here and add it over to your timeline, as well as the video. This is a very great collaboration between After Effects and Higgsfield, and you can even generate straight from After Effects. So it's basically like running Higgsfield in After Effects, and it works really, really great. You can take things straight into your timeline, and that is the best feature about this. So make sure to check it out. The link will be in my bio.